When you create a Facebook ad for your Facebook page, you have two objectives. Facebook even asks you, what would you like to do? Would you like to get more fans, or would you like to promote a specific post on your page, right? Once you decide that and you create your artwork, you're going to come down below, and then you start selecting your audience. Now, what you want to do is you want to really think about who is most likely to either like my page or like, comment on, or share an update, right? The best place to get this information is in your Facebook page insights. So if I go to this Facebook page, I'm in the admin panel, I go to insights, and I click on likes. Now this is demographic information I can use in the Facebook ad for accumulating likes on my page. So let's just say, I'm going to jump back here, let's just say our objective is to get more page likes. So what we want to do is we want to go to insights, we want to look at our likes report and look at the information here, right? So mostly women like this page. The other way to think about this is the people who are most likely to take this specific action, liking the page, are women. So we go back to our ad and we say, you know what? Forget about you men, we're just going to target this to women, okay? The other thing we could do is we could look at age. Mostly women, 25 to 44. We're going to go back to our ad and we're going to target it to 25 to 44. Okay? Go back into insights. We look at location. Boston. That's where most of the fans are. Great. We're going to go back into our ad and we're going to pick city, Boston. So what we're getting at is we're taking advantage of the information that we already have about what people have done in the past, which kind of informs us what they might do in the future. You know, the people who are most likely to like this page in the future are women who are 25 to 44 who live in the Boston area. Okay. Now, if we're going for a promoted post, right, our goal here, our objective is to get people to see and engage with our updates, period. Okay. So what we do is we go back into Facebook, we go to our insights, and what do we look at? We look at talking about this. Okay. Now here we see, oh, what do you know? 35 to 44 is really where the rubber hits the road. So we're going to go back into our ad, and we're going to change the age here to 35. Okay. So the point here is that we're basically leveraging information on how people have behaved in the past to target our Facebook ads more effectively so that we get the desired action. All right? Talk to you soon.